Welcome to Snugglebug Storytime, where every story brings a magical world, adventure, and cuddly fun.
Deep in the sparkling blue sea, lived a playful dolphin named Danny. Danny loved to leap through waves and twirl in the bubbly surf. One sunny morning, Danny heard a strange sound underwater. Boom, boom, echoed from the coral reef near Jellyfish Jungle. Danny zipped through the sea to see what was making all the noise. He spotted a worried crab named Casey waving his claws. "The reef is shaking," Casey cried. "Something's wrong." Danny did a flip. "Let's check it out together." They swam past schools of giggling fish and sleepy sea cucumbers. Suddenly, a dark shadow loomed over the reef. A giant sunken pirate ship had slid from a sandbank. It was tipping and it might crush the coral home of tiny creatures. Danny gasped. "We have to save the reef." He dashed off to find help, zooming through sea tunnels. First, he found Tina the turtle near the seaweed forest. Then came Ollie the octopus with his wiggly strong arms. Together, they gathered more ocean friends to help. "Let's push together," Danny called out with a splash. The team of sea creatures gave a mighty underwater shove. With a big heave, the pirate ship slowly moved off the reef. The coral wiggled, safe and unharmed beneath the ship. Tiny shrimp cheered. Starfish danced. The sea was saved. Casey did a happy crab dance while blowing bubble hearts. Danny grinned, flipping high into the sunlight above. From that day on, Danny became the reef's official hero.